One of the most important lessons that you need to learn as a painter is that just because you know something is there, doesn't mean you need to paint it. So it's imperative in your development as an artist that you learn how to suggest elements in your paintings with the flick of a brush or a hint of colour, rather than slavishly putting in each and every single last fine detail. Because your viewer actually has a very powerful tool that will do the rest of the work for you, their imagination. In fact, the more you leave open to interpretation in your paintings, the better, as it will lead to more enjoyment for your viewer, and this in turn deepens their connection with your work. So honing this skill is great for everyone concerned, and this workshop will give you a few pointers to help you do this effectively in your own work. The workshop is just under an hour long and takes you from a blank sheet of paper to a completed painting. Get lifetime access today to this fantastic video on demand soft pastel workshop for just £25.